Hello friends, hope you guys are well. Today we'll be talking about numbers in Python and other math functions. Let's get started. To start with, we'll do the very simple function which is sum. You can directly write a number summing up something. So after playing the play button, you will see the output which is 4. Going forward, you can use the subtraction in the same way. For example, 9 minus 5 will give you answer. And moving forward, we can do the multiplication in a similar way. So moving forward, divide is the interesting one because we have subfunction in divide. For example, we are using a 89 divided by 6. So it will give us an output in a decimal place. But we want just the uh, number without a decimal. In order to do that, we can do 89 double slash 6. So it will give just 14. And for example, if we just want a reminder part, so in order to do that, we will use the mode function, which is percentage sign 6. So it will give us a remainder of that. Moving forward, we can have, like, for example, we just don't want this big value here. If we're using the same one, I'm copying it here from here. We don't want to have lot of decimal places. So we can use a function called round to round up the decimal places. And after doing the calculation, we have to tell them how many decimal places we want. We can choose 1, 2, and split it by comma. We can have 1 or 2. So this way, it have rounded up to the nearest value. Moving forward, we'll be using variables in that. Before using the variables, let's do one thing. For example, we will use this variable called underscore. Underscore, just it's a undefined value or the last calculated value that's stored in a variable in underscore. For example, if I just want to see what was in the last value, I will say just the underscore and play. It will give me the last value of the calculation. So it can be used in many ways. For example, if I want to have my last value plus 1, for example, then I will do plus 1. So it will give me 15.8. So this way you can use the last calculated value as well. And next is variable. Variables are variables are nothing but the memory space, name of the memory space where data gets stored. Because in the binary number, it's so hard to remember the data location or the memory location. So for example, we can name variable like anything, but I suggest you to name the variable very carefully because it will help you remember the location. So let's say we have the variable name 1 and I am assigning a value by using equals 4, and we'll take another variable which is variable 2 and we'll have the value of 5. So for example, if I want to sum this up and store into another memory location or another variable, it will be where sum equals where 1 plus where 2, and make sure you're using the exact spellings or exact sensitive, like it is very case sensitive, so you should be using the simple. So now if I want to print it, we'll use the print function and we'll do the sum. So let's see the output. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is the way we can use the variable. This is a very basic way. So let's take an example. We want to use or we want to calculate the area of a rectangle. So from a memory, it's height into width. So we will have a function called We will have a variable width, and I will give it value 56, and other we will use another variable for the height. We will give a value 70, and in order to calculate the area, we'll be doing width into height, or height into width. It's the same thing, and we want to print it. So we'll print the area, because this calculation will be stored into the variable called area. So let's check if that works. Yes, that's right. So this is the way you can use a variable in the calculations as well. Like variable can be used in the complex calculations, and you can do the complex calculations as well. For example, if I want to do something into 45 plus 34 divided by 3 minus 95 plus 1. It's just an example, so we can use this way as well. Python is smart enough to compute any calculation by using the BODMAS rule. So this is the way we can utilize the numbers in the Python.